single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
Hi! What's up, guys? Are you ready to discover how I got from a bodycon to a mermaid wedding dress? If you are, stick around because I'll be telling you about it all. Bear in mind that I do not have the dress to give you a full video clip of it all, but I do have slides because I'm good at slides. Also, I hope this would be some way informative to someone. If you have your dress already, this might not be for you, but you can still find it interesting. So here it goes. I'm giving it a go because in Jamaica, my friend did a wedding dress for me and she did it secretly, not really actually fully secretive, but she didn't let me see some of it, so I don't have a video on how she made it all. But I know Donna is her name. She did it with needle and thread. She did not use a machine and she did it all in around 4 days. So here it goes. My ideal wedding was to have a small wedding, a private wedding, because it was a rush kind of wedding because I wanted to have my wedding some other time, but my husband decided that he wasn't going to wait any longer, because he wanted to start this spousal sponsorship. So we had to do it fast and quick. So I said I was going to go with a bodycon dress. I pick up my bodycon dress and I said I'm going to purchase it. But little did I know that if I told Donna is a very excited and she what should I say, extravagant. She liked to go over the limit on things. So she decided that no way, you're not going to go with no bodycon. That's ridiculous. And she go on with a lecture about this is a wedding and wedding's supposed to be this and that. So I'm telling you, this is what I can afford right now. So this is what I'm going to stick with. But you know, Donna is very persuasive. I'm telling you, she don't play. So that's why she does what she do best. So yeah, my dress there, we went to Pablo's and we went to Trimmings Royal in Kingston because I'm from Portland, Jamaica. So we had to travel to Kingston to get those materials. But I wanted to buy a simple dress, you know, it turned all the way to Kingston and I spent more than what I wanted to spend. Anyways, it was a beautiful dress though. So my veil, she didn't tell me that she was going to make a veil. The veil that you see here, it's made from extra materials, and I think she got the crown top to make from what do you call that, some wire thing. And my daughter just was a surprise because I told her that my daughter was not coming because it's a 4-person, so she used the material that was left also from my dress, and she used her daughter's dress to see how grateful this and what should I say, truly wonderful person she is. To use her daughter's dress and made that dress that my daughter is wearing. That's her daughter's dress she used, and her daughter is a little bit smaller than my daughter, so it didn't fit. So she had to retake it because she didn't tell me she was going to do it, because I said I'm not going to make anyone come. It's a 2-person private wedding, small wedding. But you know how that goes. Look at my wedding. So the materials that she used is the trimming. She put them on the strap, the trimming, the gold trimming. She put them on the strap of my dress, stitched them on, and she also stitched them on the, what should I say, the strap of the dress, and she let them lay on 3 layers. Right there you can see it's a 3-part to it. And the lace that we use, she cut out the extra lace and attached them to the breast part and the chest part of the dress so it could match the tail, because the tail is mostly lace and tulle. Tulle is underneath it and satin to make it have that extra puff, and my trail is a tool that I like. I picked that part. I had that extra expense. That I love that. It was so shiny and beautiful. I like it. So she took my measurements and all, and had those material, which is tulle, satin, lace, and the trimmings to my dress. So if you're up for the challenge, you know, and you want to try something and experience, you can give it a go, because that also my veil it had 2 layers to it, 2 layers. So you have 1 layer and another layer at the back, and she had trimmings at the head of each layer, and that's a bow at the top of my crown. She made a bow there. So that's it for recycling, upcycling, you see. So like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. This is Sanjay Sparks, and this is how I turn my bodycon wedding dress into a mermaid wedding dress. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stick around and stay tuned to see more clippings from my wedding. Bye now. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.